solve the inequality negative 2x is less than 3 times x minus 5, where would you start? Yes, ma'am.
First version is simplifying the x beneficial with 3x minus 6.
Good. So if I'm going to simplify that right side, what's it going to look like?
3x minus 6.
Oh, sorry, you said that. 3x minus 6. So distributing the 3. Next. Yes, ma'am.
Subtract 3x from both sides.
Subtract 3x from both sides.
Both sides.
Negative 2x plus negative 3x is negative 5x is less than negative 15. Last step, the tricky one? Yes. Divide by negative 5 and switch the direction of the inequality because we have multiplied or divided both sides of the inequality by a negative number. The graph that you have to do is just a number line graph. Make sure that 3 is somewhere on your number line. Should the 3 get an open dot or a closed dot? Open. There's no equals under here, so I'll take an open dot and I will shade to all numbers greater than 3. Okay? All right. This one looks almost the same, so there must be a catch. So we'll start off the same way. 7x is greater than or equal to, and we'll distribute. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 7 times x is 7x. Next step. Subtract 7x from both sides of the inequality. 7x minus 7x is 0. I'm going to need to put the zeros there to hold the place. Is greater than or equal to 14. 7x minus 7x is 0, so 14 plus 0. Okay. Now, when I lose my variables, I have two answers that it could be. It could be either a no solution or it could be all real numbers. Is this a true statement that we got?
No.
This is a false statement. So what do you think the answer should be? No solution. If we had gotten a true statement, what would your answer have been? All real numbers. So if you wanted to make the graph of this, you could just make a number line graph with no shading. If you really wanted to graph it. And for the other one, if you wanted to graph it, for the all real numbers one, you could make a number line graph that was completely shaded. Okay? Last bit. A word problem that is not nearly as hard as Einstein's word problems. Challenging, not hard, challenging. Real estate agent earns a salary of $2,000 per month plus 4% of the sales. Find the sales if the salesperson is to have a monthly income of at least $5,000. Anybody want to take a stab at setting up an inequality based on that word problem? Think about it for a minute. Simply set it. Yes.
4x plus 2,000 equals greater than or equal to 5,000.
standing for? Yes. Percent of sales. How do you write 4%? 0.04 or 4/100. So let's make that really 4%. Okay? And if I want these sales to be at least 5,000, greater than or equal to is the right choice. Okay? Let's solve it. Subtract 2,000 from both sides, and I get 0.04x is greater than or equal to 3,000. Divide both sides by 0.04. And x is greater than or equal to, anybody have a calculator? 7,000 how much? 7,500. 75,000, that sounds more correct. Okay, so he needs to have sales at least, needs to sell at least $75,000 worth of real estate.